there are pieces. Okay, guys, welcome back to another Okay, guys, welcome back to another video of my channel. These are the pieces we're gonna need. Let's sort them. Okay, that was pretty quick. A little snap of the finger. Okay, well, let's sort these apart. Okay, so there you go. They popped back together. That was pretty easy. That was probably pretty bad, but okay. So let's about a handful of couple common black pieces, handful of red common pieces, and we got about 2 or 3 handfuls of mostly grays, couple light browns, different shades and stuff, and then 2 or 3 white blocks will be perfectly fine. So for the base, here we have it. It's perfectly fine. Any base that will, well, you can do smaller ones, but I'm just saying this is about, the ratio would be about 2, 1, 1. So these combined should be about the same much as grays. And to get started, you just build grays in the back of the back half, and kind of give yourself the area of about how big you want the volume of the volcano to be, and just mentally or just build a little part around it. Mark where the center or the part where the lava is going to be coming out will be. So I'm making mine right there. That circle right there is where my lava is going to be coming out. So I'm going to finish building up the base with the grays, and I'll come right back. Before I end the brown pieces, just a little reminder: make sure that around this hole that you're leaving, everything's plugged up, because there's going to be stuff inside. You don't want it to have a little hole or a gap underneath so it can just get out. So let's finish up. Okay, so I'm done. Here's the base. It's about half of it. Now for the next part, the blacks. What you'll do is you'll build the blacks more on the outer edge, like that, like where there's like dry lava sort of, and the lava / reds will be in the middle, like flowing out. So build it around. Again, reminder, make sure so that if you pour some fluid in there, like lava, it would actually stay in there and wouldn't pour out. So let's finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with the blacks. It looks pretty good. If I need to, I can modify it anytime to make it higher, less long. Like, I feel like this is too far, like the reds should be here. I could just like pop a piece into a different position so it could be higher. So anyway, now with the reds here, we're gonna make it all along right here, the exit, and remember, try to keep the reds lower so when the stuff comes out, it can pour out this way. And if you need to, you can build like a little pathway or like a guide or a wall. And if you want to make it cool, you can just put the reds up where the lava is going to be pouring out. And again, the reminder, keep your hole closed. Enclosure. So we're going to be pouring stuff in there. Okay, there's a hole right there, and I do not want any liquid to get in there. So plug it up. There you go. Making a sort of a guide. Anyway, I'll be back when I'm finished with my reds. Okay, so I'm finished using up my blocks, but I feel like that's not good enough. So I'm just going to build an outer edge right here, so if any fluid pours out, it can hold it in and it won't spill out off the green base. Now this step that I did is optional because it does not look as good, but you know, I'm just going to do it. So What does that have to do with this video? Okay, I was talking about this. Cut. Okay, guys, sorry about that. But anyway, I think we're pretty much finished. Not very much a volcano like you want it to be, but we are going to test it out. We got the baking soda. Oops. If you want to, you could pour some on the path so that the lava sort of goes there too. Anyway, the food coloring. Whew. Just so you guys know, this is optional too. If you guys don't really want to ruin your guys' Legos, because they might have the stains forever. So then we got the vinegar. And push. Whoa, that's so cool. Let's pour a little bit more. Okay, that went over the top. Okay, anyway guys, you guys can see that didn't really work that well in the back. So let's throw some more baking soda in. That's cool. Okay, well, it's pouring out, so I'm gonna have to clean up. Anyway, so clean up the stuff. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and check out my other videos. So I'll have to clean up, and peace out.